Good afternoon, sir. So please, I know your name and where are you from?
I am Olaimi National Precious, founder level B at the 2019.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. What are you doing here?
Yeah, we are here for a research ethics program organized by
Can you just brief me what you have learned in the seminar?
Okay, so far I've learned that a good research has to be open, has to be reproducible, has to be replicable.
Okay, so what are you now going to do now as a living here?
Of course, to be a good researcher. This is my goal.
My name is Adetule Abisade and I'm a medical student at Aberdeen University. I came for a research clinic where we are being taught on the integrity of research. Then we came to is that in research it's important that you are transparent in your research. That you are a good researcher in being that being transparent, meaning being open to people who provide your research and being the kind of person that your research will be able to impact life and you care more about the quality of your research, meaning that the impact your research is making on the world more than the quantity, more than how many the books you're writing is. What is more important is the quality of your research.
Okay.
My name is Jessica Bekese. I'm a student of Aberdeen University. It's research integrity, and personally, I have learned a lot about research integrity, about reproducibility, about replicability, about the ethics and things that I need to do to be a good researcher. Honesty, humility, responsibility, and all of that. After living here, I plan to first of all build on those things I have learned, not just learn them, not just hear them today. I intend to build on them and also try as much as possible to share this knowledge to as many persons that are willing to learn in little ways that I can, obviously, and also try my best to make sure that I become a good researcher.
I will attend before I left medical school. Wow, that research was organized by Dr. and ICH committees. I've learned the ethics of research. I've learned that I need to be transparent when I do research because I'm interested in the academic aspect of medicine. So, and in publishing research papers and there's ethical things that I need to follow in terms of transparency and sincerity.
I'm a student of Aberdeen University. I came for the Administrative Research Techniques Seminar and teaching class. I've learned that for research integrity, you have to be honest, you have to be transparent. There are so many ethical things you have to do with the research. And my opinion is not going to be easy, but it's worth the work and it's worth to learn about research. I want to become a good researcher. I'm taking what he has taught us today and I'm going to try as much as possible to follow those guidelines. I want to be a good researcher and I want to follow
I came for a program, a research ability program. It's very good to be open-minded and be able to share your research, make it available for everybody. Plan on taking what I've learned here into consideration and really taking it to action, putting it to work, and also doing a personal research on my own and learning new things.
I'm Johnson Kelvin by name, school student 400 level.
That's good.
We came for a very exciting program here with Dr. Ike, which is I've learned a lot actually, but I will list out 2 key things which I learned today, which is one, as medical students, it's important that we learn the basic ethics of research as young scientists, open research method in which we can allow everybody access our information, access our infrastructure, and make the world a better place.
Sister Evelyn Okeke, a sister of Okeke that a 500 level medical student. I'm here for the research integrity seminar that I've just ended with Dr. Ike Chigozie, and it's also my project supervisor. So It has been a wonderful journey with him. He has helped us to understand a lot of things this afternoon, especially on research assessment, open science, and deep science. These are new terminologies that I've learned today, and I'm happy to have been part of this seminar. He has built my capacity, going to help my project work, because right now I'm doing my project, and you know the ease of understanding what you are doing. So as I go into the field to do my data collections and other things, I already understand the ethics and the end to which I'm working. And this is going to go a long way for me.
My name is Oblai Joy, and I'm from the Department of Medicine and Surgery. We just participated in a research seminar program. Then they taught us about open science. Yeah, there was reproducibility. I would like to learn more, because this is not the end. I like to get more knowledge about research integrity and even the open science too. I would like to know more, so that maybe in the nearest future I'll be able to visit when I become a researcher. If I will be. If I will be, I'm yet to make a decision on that.
My name is Saita John. I'm a founding level medical student in Ambosali University. We are here, we're having a research integrity seminar, a workshop. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So I've learned a lot. But what I mean most is the dilemma section, because I've never done that kind of
We are going for the first time.
Yeah, this is the first time. And I'm happy to. I don't even know there's an app called Dilemma app, but I have that now. Look more into it and see how the research is being done. And aside that, my main focus is to apply these core values, because we're taught core values, ethics, trustworthiness, open-minded, transparency. So apart from being a researcher, I have to apply all this for ethical purpose and all.
That's good. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, thank you.